Hello SFDC folks. So today I have come up with a very new topic, and that is integrating my Facebook account with Salesforce org. So here what I will be doing is I will be using my Facebook account's credentials to log in into my Salesforce organization. So let's start. So from navigate to the setup page, and from setup you need to search for auth.providers. This is nothing but authentication providers. Let's create a new authentication provider for our org. I will choose auth provider type as Facebook, then give the name anything like Facebook only, and the URL suffix will be automatically populated. Then the next thing we need to provide is here registration handler. So a situation may arise that the person who has a Facebook account is trying to log in into Salesforce using his Facebook account credentials, but the user for that person is not created in Salesforce. He is very new. Then at that time, what will be the how will we handle the situation? So for that, there is an Apex class which will automatically create a user for that person who is trying to log in into Salesforce from his Facebook account. So this is for the situation when there is no user created for that person. And the next option is execute registration as. Who will execute that Apex class to create the user for that person? Let's select the admin users only. You should always select the execution person as the admin user, because there will be no permission issues for admin users. He can execute all Apex class, do whatever DML operations he wants to. Now the next option is the icon URL. What icon you want to display at the login page for Facebook? Let's choose one good image from here. Yeah, this one looks good. Facebook black. Copy the image URL. Go back to the provider setup. Then paste it over here. Then save it. And after creating the auth provider, we need to go to our my domain now in order to enable this feature. So from setup, search for my domain, and this page will open up. And under my domain, you will find one setting called authentication configuration. Edit this setting. So what will I be doing is, currently for logging into Salesforce, there was only one option, that is login form by entering the credentials of Salesforce org. Now we will have one more option, that is using our Facebook account so that we can log in into Salesforce. So now I will have two options. Either I can enter username and password of my Salesforce org only, or I can use my Facebook account in order to log in into this Salesforce org. Let's save this. Okay, so we are done with the setup. We have created the auth provider and we have enabled this auth provider in our my domain. So let me log out of this Salesforce org. So now whenever you come to visit to log in into Salesforce, you will find two options. Either you can log in using your username and password of your Salesforce org, or you can use this another option called Facebook account. See, or login using Facebook. So I will use Facebook account to log in into my Salesforce org. Let's click on this. Yeah, I will enter the credentials of my Facebook account. Now you will see it will be redirected to my Salesforce org. I am not logging into my Facebook account. I am actually redirecting myself to my Salesforce org, but I am using Facebook as my authentication provider. See, the redirection has been made to Salesforce org. Now I am in the Salesforce organization using my Facebook account's credentials. I hope this session was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.